Wireless headphones are slowly but surely climbing up the list of everyone's must-haves, and the Parrot Zik 3.0 headphones are commanding much of the attention. This Bluetooth headphone is packed with so many features, such as wireless audio streaming, noise cancellation, and intuitive operation. How much is the Parrot Zik 3.0 headphones? Get yours today for $399.99. Now, let's have a look at some of the main positive and negative aspects. The design is eye-catching, and the quality is nothing to scoff at. The controls are on the right earpiece, and they are very touch-sensitive, making it easy to operate. Many also appreciate that the battery may be replaced, although wireless charging is also enabled. Here's our conclusion. If you are looking for the best noise-canceling wireless headphone, look no further than the Parrot Zik 3.0 headphones. Thanks for checking out our review. To know more about this product, click on the link below this video now.